David, now you tell me that you have a wonderful surprise for us behind this door. So I've been just sitting here with bated breath waiting to see what this is. So how about we have a look now, can we?
Let's have a look.
All right, come on then. Pop it open. What do we got? Oh no, a super rocket. Holy moly. A Goldstar.
A Rocket Goldstar.
A Rocket Goldstar, thank you. A Rocket Goldstar. This is a really rare machine.
Very rare, this one.
Holy moly. Well, Dave, can we wheel it out and have a look at it?
Absolutely.
All right. Wonderful. Wow, look at these Goldstar badges. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Goldstar mark was the result, a Gold Star was given to any motorcycle that could go around Brooklands racetrack in England in the early days at more than 100 miles an hour. So this machine here has earned the right to wear that Goldstar badge. So Dave, tell us a little bit about this particular bike and a bit about the history and what you've been doing with it.
This particular bike was sold by Percy McBride on the 13th of March 1963 on Dundas Street.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who it was sold to, but it was sold in what was called the US trim, not a Clubman's trim. This is a full Clubman's trim,
Right.
with the rear sets and the reversed gear change. This was restored, painted by Tim Bardsley, mostly British reproductions.
Yeah.
I sourced most of the parts in the UK. It's mostly all new old stock.
Now you mentioned the gearbox with the reverse Clubman gear shift on it. That's an RT box, isn't it?
That's an RRT2 gearbox. That's
Okay.
a close ratio gearbox.
Right.
This arguably was probably the best cafe racer of its time. There were faster bikes, but they didn't handle as well. There were bikes that handled better, but they weren't as fast. This overall was probably the ultimate cafe racer of its period.
So Dave, what was the published top speed of the Rocket Goldie?
Well, they never went over 120 miles an hour on the
Okay.
published speeds, but
Yeah.
I have seen speeds in excess of 120, 123, 124.
On a Rocket Goldstar?
On this
Not on this particular one? here?
the one I owned prior to this.
Oh, is that
actually,
right?
It had a tuned engine. This only has a single carburetor,
Okay.
so it's probably the fastest single carbureted parallel twin available.
So let's say, suffice it to say, this machine right now will do well over 100 miles an hour. Well over
Oh,
the
without
ton.
doubt. In third gear.
Yeah. So what are some of the detail on here, Dave? I'm looking at these beautiful speedo and tack up here.
They're
Tell us
peculiar. Actually, this is an RC83, the rev counter. It's a normal chronometric rev counter.
Okay.
This is peculiar to this model of bike. It's a 140 mile an hour speedo.
Right.
Because obviously a 120 wouldn't suffice. It has a 190 millimeter front brake, which was an option on these bikes.
Oh yeah,
Clubman's
look at the
trim.
size of that. So Dave, this is a lovely bike and you've done a hell of a job on bringing this to where it is today.
I merely sourced the parts. Other people, far more skilled than me, put it together. And
I'm jealous just looking at it. So that is a very rare machine right there.
only approximately 1,500 made.
Ever made, 1,500 ever made.
Approximately, yes.
Yeah. So anyway, Dave, listen, we really appreciate showing us what's behind your garage door.
Well, you're more than
and hopefully down the road you might have another little secret for us we
Well,
can take
you
a look
never
at.
know.
All right. Thanks very much, Dave.
Thank you very much.
It's been great.